Sorry, John, you got it wrong, and that's the point.
I didn't get anything wrong. I was asking questions.
You did get it wrong.
No, I didn't! I don't get it wrong. Do you understand? I was asking you a question. And I was going to ask Sam the same question as well. You put your hands on this woman. The police were called. I understand you're getting help. That's something. But when I ask you about what happened, something as serious as this, you give me an honest answer.
And I did give you an honest answer, Judge.
And I haven't said anything other than that.
You talk to me like a...
No, I'm talking to you as somebody in my courtroom who has admitted beating up his partner. When did you become aware that John was in the house?
It was the following morning. I woke up, it was around 11:30. I went to go downstairs to get a drink and he stopped me. I'd got half dressed and he said, John's downstairs on the settee.
And you thought, good Lord?
Yes, I thought I'd better put a dressing gown on, which I did. I went into the kitchen to get the drink. I'd opened the door expecting John to be asleep on the settee and I was quite surprised that he wasn't still there.
He'd gone?
He'd gone. I checked the front door, which was open. It hadn't been locked, obviously, because he'd left and without a key. I went into the kitchen after that, not thinking anything of it, just thinking, oh, he's got up early, he's gone. I had a drink. I went to sit down on the settee and that's when I realised that he'd weed on it. My hand was drenched.
Just pause.
And then the smell came.
He'd
urinated on it.
You sat down on the settee?
Nearly. I sort of put my hand down first. Just the way I went to sit down. Luckily, I'd felt it before I actually sat.
The car is delivered? Yes?
Yes.
Splendid. Did it arrive and were you happy with it? When it first came?
It arrived late, 3 hours late.
Well, that'll happen.
Yeah, I'm not bothered about the late. It was just dark, but...
Interrupting. Please stop.
You asked me, so I'm answering.
I know, but you've just got to wait to get to the end of the question.
You're interrupting me as well.
I'm allowed. It's my courtroom.
OK.
It's my prerogative. I need to get to the bottom of your case.
OK. I'm listening.
Good, because I'm talking.
Keep talking then.
He put me in hospital the other day from an episode of intercourse and I was in excruciating agony. I was screaming for over 6 hours.
Excuse me, Judge. Actually, it was the other way round. It was her.
What do you mean it was the other way round?
It was her what was telling it.
Really? You really want to go there? Do you want to know how I found out, Tony?
No, just don't want to know. I've had enough.
Let me tell you, this court sometimes takes me to places which I'd rather not go to.
Most funniest and proudest one has got to be the Hooligan Factory.
The Hooligan Factory?
Factory, yeah. It's another sort of like... It's a spoof
What did you play in that?
I played a character called Mike the Rapist, but it's...
Mike the Rapist?
Yeah, but it's a...
Just pause. Hooligan Factory, you played Mike the Rapist. What sort of film was it? It was a...
What it is, it's like it's a wind-up of all the other, like, basically British films that have been made that like to do, like, the football genre, like The Firm, The Hooligan Factory... Sorry, The Football Factory, Green Street.
So you played Mike the Rapist in a film which you describe as a comedy?
Yeah, it was just a character name in it. I wasn't actually... it was just a character name. So... But you've got to sort of see the film to see how I got that character name, so, yeah.
I see,
and my sister, like Rita the Man-Eater, she was like my sister in it, so...
Do you do Shakespeare as well?
Sorry?
Shakespeare?
No, I don't do Shakespeare, no.
What we've got here is...
What do we have here?
A very difference of age and the way of thinking.
What do you mean he sees something different? He's got eyes, hasn't he?
He's got eyes, yes, but his brain works probably different to the way mine works. I was always at work...
Let me tell you, talking! You're coming up with pearls here. I need to put them down. Not up to scratch, and Colin's brain works differently from yours. Let me tell you, that's the most sensible thing you've said so far.
This time, when I gave him this amount of money, I made him sign a contract.
Very good. Why?
Because I've watched certain programmes before and I've seen these kind of things go on.
When you say certain programmes, like what?
Oh. Like yours.
Well, such as?
Oh, Judge Judy. Sorry. Sorry.
Now I know that you're definitely an honest woman.
No, because it's going to show you the room a mess, which is understandable. But what I'm saying is, it wasn't like that all the time. And Colin went in on an occasion where it was a mess.
Bad day. Bad day. Bad day. Yeah, have a look. Now, I've got 4 pictures.
Yeah. That's a Friday night. That's a bit of food.
No. Brighton, that's not a Friday night, that's a crime scene. Now, there are 2 pizza boxes. There are...
Yeah, I had a friend over.
Well, how many friends? Did you have friends over? Or did you have Guns N' Roses in the bedroom?
No, we didn't have Guns N' Roses, but I had a friend over, and I remember that specific night, there was an offer.
Yes.
2 pizzas for 1.
Let's see the next one. That's Sunday night, is it?
No, what that is what would have been previously tidied up, and then I probably kicked the bag and it burst open. It happens, Your Honour.
Just pause for a second. Did you live in that?
Jack Falls, yeah.
Jack Falls?
Jack Falls.
That's a Hollywood film.
No, it's a British crime genoir film.
A British what?
Crime genoir. British.
No, I got the British part. I got the crime
sort of
part.
film.
What did you say? Gen noir?
John Y, genoir says what they call it, crime genoir.
Do you mean genre?
Genre, sorry, genre. Slip of the tongue, Judge, sorry.
At what moment did he propose?
We were cuddled up together in bed, watching
what had happened?
a movie.
You're watching a movie? What film were you watching? What sort of film might it have been?
I think it was Transformers.
Transformers? There you are. Robots in disguise. What happened in respect of that job, Michael?
I don't keep jobs very well. I get bored.
Ah!
Yeah, there's no...
Yeah. You get bored?
Yes, yeah.
And so what happened?
I don't know. I was just there one day and I didn't like it, so I went home. Yeah.
You're not off, are you? Quite all right? Not running away?
Nope, not in these.
It's bouncing off a mirror here, because, you know, it's going through here and it's coming out there.
Click here for more exclusive YouTube videos. And don't be a moron. Subscribe and keep up to date with all the best courtroom action. Jazz hands, Michelle. What do you say that jar is, please, Colin?
Well, it did smell like urine.
It was cider, Colin.
Be quiet.